This 2023 Coachmen Catalina Legacy Edition 293 QBCK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This new Coachman is 34 feet 2 inches in length and features one slide-out, sleeps 11, LP detector, slide-out, skylight, external shower, smoke detector, Colorado detector, air conditioning, microwave, leveling jacks, awning, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 bedrooms. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Coachmen Catalina Legacy Edition 293 QBCK is 6,883 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.